This is funny. You guys, there's two different sizes and you have the wrong sizes on.
I was gonna say that.
You gotta switch.
Yeah, the wrong one.
That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah. Now.
That's pretty cool, bud.
Yes, it's very cool.
And it fits a lot of stuff. Excellent. Even your whole lunchbox. You unbuckled it, and it fits your whole. Fits your lunchbox and 2 library books, school folder, and some extra paperwork.
And 2 water bottles. I only have 1 water bottle. I don't have another one though. But this is for extra water bottles or a drink that fits in. This is where your other water bottle goes.
That's right.
Or you could put your water bottle here instead of here.
Awesome. It's zipped up and you're ready to roll.